I'm going to make my own song looking at the pictures. Summer, summer, there you are. How I wonder how hot you are. Up above the parachute so high, like a balloon in the sky. Summer, summer, there you are. How I wonder how hot you are. We love to eat popsicles, watermelons and mangoes too. We got sangles who drink my lemonade. We say bye to the going to learn the letter U and L and number 5. It's very easy for you. Letter U has a sound and letter L has the sound L. This is the capital L and this is the small L. Leaf, lion, lamb, lily, ladder.
More words are love, lady, lotus, log, lizard, letter, leopard, list, lap, lettuce, lollipop, light, last, lake, lid and laugh. Now we will write the letter L. It's a one straight line, one standing line and one sleeping line. Small L is one straight standing line and a curve.
Infinite sound is now it's my turn. Straight standing line and a small sleeping line. One straight line and a curve. This is capital N and a small L. Now I'm going to draw an object starting with the letter L and this L. Where?
What is this?
A leaf.
First.
2 slanting lines. One more slanting line. And then we'll join it. One more join. Ladder. Look at the ladder. This is the capital U. This is the small U. Umbrella, upstairs, uniform, underclothes, on.
Few more words. Up, under, underclothes, uncle, umpire, usher, udder, upset, urgent, earn. Let's practice letter U. 1 standing line and a curve and one more standing line. This is U. A small U, one standing line, a curve. We need to come back on the same line. Do not lift your pencil and a small handle or a small curve.
I will write the letter U.
Small.
Let's draw upstairs starting with the letter U.
Standing line, a sleeping line, a standing line, a sleeping line, a standing line, a sleeping line, a standing line, a sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. This is upstairs.
Is this perfect?
One more sleeping line here. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing, sleeping. Stop. Make an arrow.
That is an arrow.
Capital L, small l, lion. Small u, umbrella. 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. Let's do a fun activity. What is on your left hand?
U.
And what is on your right hand?
L.
Okay, so I'm going to say a few words. If the word starts with L, you have to show me your right hand. If the word starts with the letter U, show me your left hand. Upper. Lake. Unicorn. Lit. Lover. Utmost. Like. Unicycle.
Unicycle.
Which hand? Utensil. Late. Late. Unhappy. Lunch. Lion. First sound. Look at each picture and match it with the one which begins with the same sound. What is this?
Fire. Ladybug. Burger. Dinosaur. Helicopter. Deer. Hat. Leaf. Flower. Boat.
What shall we match the fire with?
Flower.
Ladybug.
With leaf.
Burger. Dinosaur. With deer. What is this?
Helicopter.
With
hat. Now we are going to write number 5.
one sleeping line, standing line, and a tummy. This is number 5. Sleeping line, standing line down, and a tummy. One more time.
Draw 5 smileys. These are 5 smileys.
How many fingers do you have?
Daddy finger, mommy finger, brother finger, sister finger, baby finger.
How many fingers do you have?
5 fingers. Thank Thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe for more.